Just 2 months back, a channel was born which now has over 1 million views and 12.8K subscribers. Their highest viewed video alone got nearly 200,000 views in just 1 month, which they created more or less in 20 minutes using AI. And all these helped them print $3,000 each month. Now, if you also have a channel older than this, and you are still getting less views, struggling to get subscribers, not monetized yet, or earning $50 or $500 monthly, surely you're doing something wrong. But don't need to raise your hands, because you are not alone and you can also crack YouTube. Just take a pause for 15 minutes and learn what this channel is doing and how you can replicate their success, as I'm going to break it down for you step by step. See, the person behind this channel isn't any tech genius, nor do they have years of experience. They simply found the right combination of AI tools and used them in a way that 99% of creators never will. So, I hope you already got the point that it won't be difficult for you to steal its pattern, strategy, and framework, unless you skip any step. Because half-baked knowledge is worse than zero knowledge. So, let's start, shall we? There's a tool that's been staring you in the face, and you've probably never used it the way I'm about to show you. It's ChatGPT, but not the way everyone else uses it. First, you need to find a successful faceless channel in your niche. For example, I have found this one, which is in the Geo-Politics niche. So now, you're going to extract every piece of data from that channel and feed that data to ChatGPT-5, like you're training a machine to print money. But getting that data isn't as simple as copying and pasting. You always need the right tools to extract gold from the gold mine. Pardon my sense of humor. To extract the channel data, you need vidIQ. This Chrome extension isn't just for checking view counts. It has a hidden feature that most people never explore. A feature that can download years of proven content data in seconds. Install vidIQ, go to your target channel, click those 3 little dots, and select CSV export. Watch as the AI pulls every video title, description, duration, publish date, likes, and comments into one organized file. This isn't just data. This is a blueprint of what works and what doesn't. Now give this prompt to ChatGPT and feed the data. You will see, within seconds, you will have viral-worthy ideas and title suggestions ready in your hand. But don't think data alone can save you. You need to understand the soul of successful content, the rhythm and tone that makes people click and stay. And that means going deeper than this. Every successful YouTube channel has a voice. It's called branding. Think of a channel like a person. It has its own personality and way of speaking that connects with the audience. Most creators try to guess what that voice should sound like, and they fail because they often get lost in trial and error. But smart creators don't guess. They steal. Not the words, but the style, the pacing, the emotional rhythm that makes viewers hooked to every sentence. And there's a way that makes this almost criminally easy. Just open any YouTube video, go to its description box, click on More, and expand it. There, click on Show Transcript, and here, you can copy the complete script of any YouTube video. Now, you've literally just stolen the DNA of a successful content. But here's where most people mess up. They take one script and think they understood the pattern. That's like trying to learn a language from one sentence. You need multiple examples to see the deeper structure, the hidden formula that makes content irresistible. So, copy 3 to 5 scripts from your target channel. Number them as you paste them into ChatGPT. Watch as the AI analyzes the tone, the pacing, the hooks that grab attention. Now, it's not just copying content. You're downloading a successful creator's brain directly into your AI assistant. And the real magic starts from here. Ask ChatGPT-5 to create a brand new script using the same style as the successful channel you've been studying. For this, give it the prompt like this. Don't forget to give all the inputs according to your requirement, and watch as it produces content that feels familiar but completely original. But a great script will be killed if you don't choose the right visuals. And that's where most creators crash and burn, because either they bring random generic images that don't complement the script, or end up creating images that look cheap and amateurish. So, what's the solution? You need to carefully create every single visual using AI to match a specific style, a consistent look that hooks viewers in immediately. You were curious about what the most successful faceless channels do when it comes to collecting visuals. This is what they do, instead of putting random stock images one after another. But don't just do trial and error with generative AI by giving it vague, incomplete prompts. Instead, use ChatGPT to create detailed, precise image prompts that generate visuals in the exact style of your target channel. For this, give this prompt to ChatGPT. Here, don't give the full script to ChatGPT. Instead, give it chunks of it so you can monitor how every single frame is designed. That way, ChatGPT will break your script down into highly detailed visual prompts. Then comes the actual generation. You can use any AI image tool, but for this demo, we're staying right inside ChatGPT 5. Open a fresh chat, paste your first prompt, and watch as it creates an image that matches the exact style of the successful channel you studied. Repeat this process for every prompt until you have a complete set of visuals. Most creators stop here, thinking visuals are enough. They upload their video and wonder why it feels flat, why viewers click away after 10 seconds. They're missing the invisible layer that transforms amateur content into something that feels professional and engaging. That invisible layer? Sound design. And it's about to become your secret weapon. Close your eyes and listen to any successful YouTube video. What do you hear beyond the voice? There's music, carefully chosen to match the mood. Plus, there are sound effects that punctuate important moments. There's a sonic landscape that pulls you deeper into the content. Most creators ignore this completely or grab the first royalty-free track they find. Naturally, it makes your video dull and spoils the whole package. The channel we're modeling uses vintage, Australian-style patriotic music with a subtle, glitchy radio effect in the background. This isn't random. Every sound choice is intentional, designed to create a specific emotional response. And you can replicate this exactly. Head to Epidemic Sound, which has a massive library of royalty-free music and sound effects. Don't just grab anything. Search specifically for tracks and effects that match your target channel's style. This might take 5 to 7 minutes, but it's 5 to 7 minutes that separate your content from the thousands of videos that sound flat and amateurish. But this is not all. Don't forget, we are yet to create a voiceover for our script. If you get it right, viewers will hang on every word. For example, we all love to listen to stories from Morgan Freeman, Ricky Gervais, because they have good voices, proper pronunciation, and simple storytelling style. So, we also have to replicate the style using AI. The successful creators know something that failures don't. That's why big creators use AI voices that sound purely human. They use 11 Labs, but not just any voice from their library. They search specifically for high-quality voices cloned from real humans. Voices so realistic they're almost indistinguishable from professional human narrators. But how can you do that? Simple. Inside 11 Labs, go to the Voices section and use the filters. For our target channel, we need Australian English, middle-aged in the narrative, entertainment, and education categories. This isn't guesswork. This is precision targeting based on what we know already works. But here's the technique that separates the amateurs from the pros. Don't paste your entire script at once. Work in smaller chunks. This helps 11 Labs create better intonation, natural pauses, and smoother modulation. Each chunk flows more naturally, creating a voiceover that sounds like a real person speaking directly to your audience. Now you have everything ready: the sound, the narration, the visuals. You just need to complete the recipe using all these ingredients. You can use any video editing software, but I personally prefer Filmora because it's extremely simple, fast, and effective. Just open it and drag all your assets into your media library and number them in advance, because organized elements save your time a lot. Add your background music to the audio track first, then bring in your sound effects, duplicating them until they span the entire music track. Import your voiceover now and adjust the volume levels so the voice remains crisp and clear above everything else. When it comes to visuals, here's the technique that will save you hours on every video. Set every image to the same duration, 10 seconds each, and then select your first image and apply a zoom-in animation effect to match your target channel's style. Add a film grain effect for that subtle cinematic texture. Now comes the magic. Right-click that first image and choose Copy Effects. Select all the other images on your timeline, right-click again, and choose Paste Effects. Since every image has the same 10-second duration, they all receive identical effects instantly. You've just applied professional-level consistency to your entire video in seconds instead of minutes. But you're not done yet. The channel we're modeling uses on-screen text in an engaging way, and so should you. Add captions that match your narration exactly, using text presets that complement your overall style. Because this isn't just about accessibility, it's about engagement. Viewers stay longer when they can read along. And then, here's one final touch that transforms amateur content into something that looks professional. Remember that vintage character in the original channel's voiceover? Go into your audio effects, find voice changer options, and apply an old radio effect. This subtle touch instantly gives your narration a nostalgic, cinematic tone that viewers associate with quality content. When everything is done, export everything in 4K resolution so it looks sharp and professional, ready to compete with the best content in your niche. Just look at this. Now, we are missing just one thing: the right mindset. Behind every successful Faceless YouTube channel is someone who chose to take action. They invested in the right tools, focused on consistency, and valued progress over procrastination. Success comes from picking the right tools, sticking with them, and mastering them instead of chasing new options every day. Keep creating 20 to 30 videos in a row, use strong keywords, and optimize descriptions. Because consistency brings growth. You can see that in our model channel as well. And remember, you don't need to know everything from the start. Best learning always comes through creating, experimenting, and researching. So, don't worry about it. All you have to do is show up and take action. That's the first baby step towards success. If you are really following this method, tell me in the comments how it is going. And let me tell you one thing that, in this video, I haven't shared with you one major thing. And without that, all these advices just become useless. It's how you should do the channel setup. It matters in YouTube automation, more than you think. And for this, watch video next.